Today's episode is 93's reaction to Egyptian Nom S snore gets replaced with number block 99's snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Mo. Enjoy the video.
Greetings. I'm 93. I'm going to do a reaction on Egyptian Nom S snore gets replaced with number block 99 snore, but what on earth is cut the rope time travel? But anyways, let's get straight onto the reaction.
Okay, chill, fine, I'll snore.
Oh my gosh, just what?
I'll snore.
Oh, he tried it.
Thank gosh, that reaction was hilarious. I can't stop laughing. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 118.